First, you want to crack dried chilies inside a bowl. You can use a pair of scissors for this. Up to you really, but whatever you do, make sure you wash your hands afterwards and don't touch your eyes or your face, or you will suffer the wrath of dried chilies. Very, very spicy. You want to soak it in boiling hot water for about 15 minutes, and while doing so, avoid standing over the bowl, otherwise the spicy steam will enter your nose and your eyes. Now, fry dried anchovies or ikan bilis while waiting for the chilies. Once done, scoop it out and blot. Once the chilies are done, which means they are soft and completely rehydrated, pour them through a strainer. Shake it like a Polaroid picture to remove seeds, because the seeds are what makes it really spicy. Rinse it with cold water and shake it again. Shake. Now place the chilies without the seeds inside a blender. Add water to your blender and blend. I use a hand blender because I feel like my hand blender gives me a smoother, finer blend. It's up to you really. Now peel garlic and onion and place them inside the blender. I'm not going to give you a measurement for this because Malaysian food usually does not use measurement. We use the technique we call ikut rasa sendiri. Basically means just follow your own taste. You want a lot of onions if you're using a lot of chili, because that will balance out the spiciness. Now blend again. Saute your blended onion and garlic in the same oil that you used to fry the dried anchovies. This might take a while, so while you wait, I don't know, maybe you could eat some dried anchovies. They're so delicious, crunchy and salty, and maybe you could have another one. So good. Now you want to saute this till the oil separates. In Malay we call this pecah minyak, which means the oil has separated from the ingredients. Next you pour in the blended chili and go through the same process again. It might take half an hour. Do this on medium-high heat and just stir occasionally, making sure the bottom does not burn. It is just splashing all over the place. I don't really like this. Now add warm water to tamarind and squeeze out the juice. Squeeze. Don't forget to remove the seeds. Check if your chili is done. See how the oil is separated? That's what you want. Add your tamarind juice. Oh my god, my stove is completely dirty. Now add some sugar. Again, the measurement is up to you. You want to put in your dried anchovies, ikan bilis. Not all of it, because I want to use some for the side. Mix it all together. You're ready to serve. I didn't add salt because the anchovies are salty enough. Bon appetit!